Hey, as you know, one of the great things about being a home inspector is we get to see all the crazy stuff that people do to their homes. And today I got kind of cool one. It's interesting. Check it out. So here we are. This is the furnace, really old furnace. The air filter is supposed to go in there. Okay. There's a gap, so all the air that's in this closet is essentially going to get sucked through there without being filtered. However, they do have this return grill here attached in with screws, so it's really hard to get to. And with that, a dirty filter because it wants to take out 4 screws to change an air filter. Okay, so we got an air filter in place. That's great. That's great. But they still have that gap. Well, close the door. That's solid. And this closet also has the water heater. So here they go. They got their air filtered with duct tape filters on the lavoured closet door.